In order to cook onion rings, we need 6 pounds of onions. After you have peeled everything, don't throw away the peels. We'll be using it later. Cut onions into big rings. Place them onto a baking tray for convenience and sprinkle with smoked paprika. Then apply some olive oil on top. Light up the coal in a barbecue grill and put in onion peels. We'll be smoking onion rings with onion smoke. Remove them from the fire and process the onions in a blender till you get an even consistency. Now cut off the green part of leek and cut it into strips. Put it on a baking tray and dry it in an oven at 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Process the dry leek in a coffee grinder. And then sieve it through. We'll go back to this powder a bit later. And now we mix salt, half a gallon of water, and butter in a big pot. Boil it till it completely dissolves. Stir it all the time. Add 6 pounds of flour and cook the dough. Add processed smoked onion. Take it off the stove. Add salt and crack in the eggs. Mix it well. Then pour vegetable oil into a heated pan. And squeeze the onion dough out of a pastry bag. Form ring to fit the diameter of the pan. After they're done, take them out and let them cool a bit. We recommend serving it with cheese sauce. To add a little spiciness, sprinkle some leek powder on top. That's it! Our maxi-sized onion rings are done. cottage cheese, salt, butter, and milk. These are the ingredients we will need to cook cheese sticks. Put 15 pounds of cheese into a big container. Add a gallon of milk and carefully mix it. Cook it till the cheese starts getting stretchy and serum separates from the milk. Now we need to separate the cheese from the serum. Use thick fabric or cheesecloth for it. Then put it into a container. Heat up and stir. Add butter and let it melt. Stir it lightly. Add in eggs, baking soda, and salt. When the cheese mass has an even consistency and is flexible, we can put it into a fridge for 2 hours. Then cut the cheese into sticks and prepare batter, in which we will be deep frying it. For this, we take out flour, crack eggs, and put breadcrumbs into a bowl and heat up sunflower oil. Now, coat the cheese sticks in all the ingredients one after another . And deep fry till you get a golden crust. In the end, you'll get soft and crunchy cheese snacks. Break them and enjoy the taste.